If you want to offer 24/7 support with help desk automation, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll cover exactly how to set up automation that provides seamless, round-the-clock support to your customers. No more worrying about missed inquiries or delayed responses. Let's dive into it. First, you need to choose the right help desk software. You want a platform that integrates automated ticketing systems, knowledge bases, and live chatbots. The software we'll be using in this tutorial is designed to manage all these features, so you can scale your customer support without adding extra staff. Start by setting up automated ticket creation. This ensures that every customer inquiry gets tracked, even if it comes in outside of business hours. With this system, your team won't miss a single issue, and your customers will feel heard no matter when they reach out. Next, you'll want to create a comprehensive knowledge base. This serves as your customer's self-service hub. By including step-by-step guides, FAQs, and troubleshooting tips, you allow your customers to find answers quickly without needing to wait for a live agent. You can set up this knowledge base to be automatically suggested when relevant keywords are detected in customer queries. Then, integrate live chatbots. These bots are critical for automating responses, especially during off hours. They can provide instant replies to frequently asked questions and escalate issues to human agents when necessary. You'll need to program your bots to answer common customer questions, but with the option for escalation to a human agent if the problem is more complex. Another key part of offering 24/7 support with help desk automation is routing. The software we're using today automatically routes tickets to the right team based on keywords or priority levels. For example, if someone mentions an urgent issue, it gets escalated to your priority queue immediately, ensuring that critical problems are handled swiftly. Make sure to monitor and optimize the performance of your automation tools regularly, track customer satisfaction, and resolve any bottlenecks in the process. Over time, you'll fine-tune your support to deliver even faster and more accurate results. By automating these key parts of your support system, you'll be offering 24/7 assistance without the need for constant human intervention, saving you time, reducing operational costs, and improving your customers' experience. So, what's the key takeaway? The core of offering 24/7 support with help desk automation is setting up a system that includes automated ticketing, a helpful knowledge base, live chatbots, and intelligent routing. These elements work together to provide seamless, continuous support to your customers, even while you sleep. Before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video, available in the description below. It's a limited offer just for my viewers, so don't miss out on the chance to try it for yourself and start automating your help desk today.